Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. Today I'm going to work on a beautiful centerpiece. I accidentally break this charger plate. As you can see, I glued it and then I'm going to repurpose it. I guess I'm starting to see some things that I never thought I would. If you are new to this channel, welcome. I'm truly grateful to have you here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you will be the first to know. If you are not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today, right now. To all my current subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for all of you, and keep on watching. I wanna see a familiar face and a friend. I wanted a C shape. Everything that I'm using in this video are some stuff I already have at the house. I just repurpose them or reuse them. So I'm going to leave some of the link in the description box down below for you. Bonjour, bonsoir tout le monde, bienvenue sur channel ça. Si vous la première fois, moi je vous bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci, s'il vous plaît, pas oublier abonner et puis partager. Mais si c'est la première fois ou là, moi je dis merci un peu pour support. I used the Gorilla Glue because I know the hot glue by itself wasn't going to be enough, so I have to use the hot glue to hold it in place and the Gorilla Glue for strength. Be my fire, take my hand. You wanna stay in the promised land? This dry foam, I'm not going to use it. They sell them at Dollar Tree. I'm going to use this one. It was inside a shipping box from something that I ordered. This video is all about reuse and repurpose. So I'll just stop and say what you will, say what you want. I won't grow up, I will come rising on your face. Say what you feel. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon nom est Merci. Je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. Et un grand merci à tous mes abonnés. Je vous aime beaucoup. I used my garland because I didn't want the hula hoop just like that. I needed something new. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and keep on watching. Those are a lot of leftovers of my peaks in order green, and I didn't have nothing to do with them, so I said I'm going to do something very beautiful. And this centerpiece idea came into my mind. You already know me, guys. There's no room on how to add the flowers. I just do it. I'm done with the centerpiece. Let's set the table.
I punch in my card, I know what it costs. Yeah, I put in the work that you don't. Day after day, I work in the play. Yeah, I'll do all the things that you won't. Even when my feet get tired, I will keep on moving higher. I'm the story you don't speak of. I'm the one they call the underdog. 'Cause every time the push comes to shove, I'm climbing over you to reach the top. 'Cause I want everything and nothing at all. Yeah, I want everything and nothing at all. 'Cause I want everything and nothing, 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 nothing at all.
This is the finished look, guys. Let me know what do you think if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, like it, and share it. You can change your table to Easter just by adding a few things. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for taking your time watching it. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.